Welcome to JH. IRIShooply.com is an Irish-owned online shopping platform that claims to be a one-stop shop for everything from pet supplies to electronics. It's basically the digital equivalent of that one junk drawer in your kitchen, but supposedly more organized. The big question, of course, is whether this site is a legitimate treasure trove or if you should keep your credit card locked in a safe. Let's start with the positives, because we like to be optimistic before the inevitable but. The website was created in October 2022, meaning it survived longer than most celebrity marriages, which is a decent sign of stability. They also offer actual customer support through email and live chat, giving you a way to reach a human, or at least a very polite bot, if things go sideways. Their social media presence is surprisingly massive, with over 65,000 followers on Facebook and 50,000 on Instagram. Usually, scammers prefer to stay in the shadows, but these guys are out in the open, which adds a layer of maybe they won't steal my identity comfort. However, the red flags start flying when you look at their marketing. They use those classic ticking countdown timers and permanent 50% off deals to make you panic buy, like it's the last day of civilization. The product images are another concern, as many look like they were shamelessly copied from the depths of the internet. It really makes you wonder if they actually have a warehouse in Ireland or if they're just professional middlemen for generic factory goods. When it comes to reviews, the site claims to have 340,000 happy customers and a near-perfect 4.8-star rating. Because surely, no business would ever exaggerate their own success, right? A quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a much more grounded 3.1-star rating, where the feedback is as mixed as a bag of trail mix. While some shoppers are perfectly happy, others complain about long delivery delays, products arriving directly from China, and quality that doesn't quite match the glossy photos. It's essentially a game of quality control roulette. So is IRIShooply.com legit? It appears to be a real business, but it's definitely leaning heavily on pushy sales tactics and questionable sourcing. It's not an outright scam, but it's not exactly a gold standard of reliability either. If you decide to take the plunge, start with a small order and use a secure payment method like PayPal, just in case. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more reality checks on your favorite shopping sites.